how to download animes to watch offline. The first thing you want to do is just simply pull up any preferred web browser that you want, and then the website that we're currently looking at is going to be the crunchyroll.com. Now, once you're on the website, all you have to do is to go ahead and create an account first. It's totally free, and you can also connect either your Google Mail or any associated platforms with this website right here. Now, for you to be able to download offline episodes, you'll need to have a subscription. Now, there are three specific coverages that you can cover off to download offline episodes on this website. It's going to be maybe a fan, a mega fan, or the next level mega fan. So either of these three coverage right here, you will be able to download any episodes on crunchyroll.com. Now they have three specific qualities that you can go. They have high quality, medium, and low. For high, it takes the longest to download and uses more storage, but it's gonna be um, the best quality that you can get. But for medium, it offers good image quality with a quick download time and uses less storage. And for low, of course, it's given it's a low quality, but it provides decent image quality with the fastest download and uses the least storage that you will have for a specific subscription. Now, from here, if you already subscribe to one of the plans that Crunchyroll has, so you'll just have to click on any of the animes that you wanted to download, and then once you have subscribed on this platform right here, it's going to be showing up under the settings on any of the episodes or anime that you will watch. And it's not only by downloading, you can also watch animes without ads. You can also try premium for free for 7 days and you can cancel anytime. So that's it. That's how you download animes episodes where you can watch offline.